Welcome, dear friends, to our cooking tutorial.
Today, we will be creating a mouth-watering holiday spiced mulled wine, perfect for your festive gatherings. So, let's get started.
First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. 1.5 cups red wine,
1 cup festive spices cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cloves.
1 cup warm water,
1 cup sugar, 1 cup dried fruit fresh or frozen, such as apples, pears, and cherries.
1 cup chocolate chips. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. In a saucepan, combine the red wine, festive spices, warm water, and sugar.
Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat. Step 2. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 20–25 minutes, stirring occasionally. The mixture should thicken and acquire a rich, caramelized color. Step 3. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the dried fruit and chocolate chips. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes. Step 4. Once the mulled wine has cooled, transfer it to a glass or wine bottle. You can add a few ice cubes if you prefer a colder drink.
And there you have it, a delicious holiday spiced mulled wine that's perfect for your upcoming festivities. Enjoy and have fun cooking.